At $400,000 invested, something happens. Something nobody talks about. Something the financial gurus skip over. Something most people never even notice. Your portfolio starts paying you a salary. A real salary. Every single month. Deposited silently into your account. Growing quietly in the background. And here is the wild part. You never worked a single hour for it. Today, I am going to show you exactly why 400K is the number that changes everything. I am going to show you the math behind what I call the invisible salary. And I am going to show you two real stories. One from a regular person on Reddit, and one from a woman who turned $21,000 into $22 million without ever earning a big paycheck. By the end of this video, you will never look at your investment account the same way again. Let's go. A few months ago, a regular person posted on Reddit in a community called Personal Finance. They shared their full investment journey, and it is the kind of story that stops you mid-scroll. They started from almost nothing, built up to $50,000, then slowly pushed to $150,000. That took years of discipline, years of saying no to things, years of saving while everyone around them was spending. Then from $150,000, they ground their way to $300,000. More career growth, more sacrifices, more patience. And then something unexpected happened. They hit $400,000. Not in years, not after another long grind, in just 1 year. They went from $300,000 to $400,000 faster than any previous jump. And they wrote something that caught my attention immediately. They said, "I didn't expect to hit 400K so quickly." Think about that. They were not doing anything differently. They did not get a huge raise. They did not win the lottery. They did not discover some secret investment trick. The math just changed. The portfolio started doing things they were not doing themselves. It started growing on its own, pulling them forward instead of them pushing it. So what exactly happened at $400,000? Why did everything speed up? Let me show you the math. Let's keep this simple. Even a kid can follow this. Imagine the stock market gives you a 10% return in a year. That is roughly what the S&P 500 has averaged over many decades. Now let's look at what 10% means at different portfolio sizes. At $10,000 invested, a 10% return gives you $1,000. That is it. At $100,000 invested, that same 10% gives you $10,000 for the year, about $833 months. At $200,000 invested, 10% gives you $20,000. That is $1,667 a month. Now watch what happens at $400,000. At $400,000 invested, a 10% return gives you $40,000 in a single year. That is $3,333 every single month. Your portfolio just paid you $3,333 last month, and you did not work a single hour for it. You did not wake up early. You did not answer a single email. You did not sit in a single meeting. That is the invisible salary. Now here is where it gets really interesting. Let's say you are saving and investing $2,000 a month from your job. That is solid. That is disciplined. You should be proud of that. But at $400,000, your portfolio is earning $3,333 a month on its own. Your portfolio is now contributing more than you are. Read that again. Your money is working harder than you are. Your investments are out-earning your own contribution. You are no longer the engine of your wealth. Your portfolio is. That is the tipping point. That is the moment the game completely changes. Before 400K, you are pushing the snowball up the hill. Every month you push, you save, you sacrifice, you contribute. You are the engine. After 400K, the snowball starts rolling on its own. Your contributions do not stop mattering. But they are no longer the main fuel. The portfolio is doing the heavy lifting now. Your savings become a bonus on top of what the portfolio is already generating. Think about that Reddit user. They pushed from 50K to 300K over years. Hard work, long climb. Then 300 to 400K happened in 1 year. They did not change anything. The math changed. The snowball finally got big enough to roll on its own. That is the invisible salary kicking in. Let me paint you a clear picture of what life looks like on both sides of this number. Before 400 calories. You are the engine. Everything depends on you showing up every month. You contribute. Your portfolio grows. You miss a month, the growth slows. You are in control, but that also means you carry all the weight. Every dollar of growth traces back to a dollar you worked for. Your effort is the only thing moving the needle. After $400K, the portfolio becomes the engine. You are still contributing. But now you have a partner, a silent partner who never takes a day off, never calls in sick, never asks for a raise, never gets tired. Your portfolio is working the night shift while you sleep. It is working the weekend while you rest. It is compounding every single day, whether you are paying attention or not. That is not just a financial shift. That is a mindset shift, a life shift. The Reddit user felt it. That sudden jump from $300K to $400K in a single year was not luck. It was the invisible salary switching on. Now I want to tell you about a woman named Scheiber. You have probably never heard of her. Most people have not, but her story might be the most powerful investing story ever told. Anne worked as an ears auditor her entire career. She was not a banker. She was not a Wall Street trader. She did not have a finance degree. She did not earn a big salary. When she retired, she had $21,000 saved up. That was it. $21,000. And a small annual pension of $3,100. She could have put that money in a savings account and called it a day. Most people would have. Most people did. But Anne did something different. She invested it. Quietly. Patiently. Without telling anyone. Without chasing hot stocks. Without panicking when the market dropped. Without touching it. She just let it sit. And grow. And compound. Year after year. Decade after decade. She lived simply. She spent little. She never stopped letting her money work. And then she died in 1995 at the age of 101. When people looked at her portfolio after she passed, they could not believe the number. $22 million. Anne Scheiber turned $21,000 into $22 million. Not because she was smart, not because she had connections, not because she picked the right stocks at the right time, because she understood one thing that most people never do. Time is the most powerful force in investing, not income, not intelligence, not timing the market, time. The three heroes of Anne's story were simple: frugality, time, and compound interest. She never got a raise. She never got a big bonus. She never found a shortcut. But her portfolio never stopped working. Not for a single day. Not for a single year. For over 50 years, it compounded quietly in the background while Anne lived her life. That is the invisible salary taken to its absolute extreme. $21,000 became $22 million because she let it run. You do not need to be Anne Scheiber. You do not need 50 years. You just need to get to $400,000 and let the invisible salary begin. Here is your 3-step plan. Simple, clean, no excuses. Step 1. Invest consistently every single month. Pick an amount, any amount, $200, $500, $1,000. Automate it. Make it leave your account before you even see it. Pay your future self first. Every single month. Step 2. Never stop, especially when it hurts. The market will drop. It always does. That is not a warning. That is a guarantee. When it drops, most people panic and sell. Do not be most people. The people who stay in during the drops are the same people who hit $400K while everyone else starts over. The Reddit user stayed in. And stayed in. That is why their stories ended the way they did. Step 3. Let time do the heavy lifting. Your only job is not to quit. That is it. Show up every month. Invest. Walk away. Repeat. The Reddit user hit $400K faster than they expected because they did not quit during the hard years. Anne hit $22 million because she did not quit for 50 years. Both stories have one thing in common. They never stopped. Neither should you. Right now, your money is doing one of two things. It is either sleeping, sitting flat in a bank account, slowly losing value to inflation, waiting for you to do something. Or it is working, compounding, growing, building your invisible salary $1 at a time. The difference between those two choices is $400,000 and a salary you never have to earn. Anne started with $21,000 and ended with $22 million. A Reddit user pushed from $300K to $400K in a single year and could not even explain how it happened so fast. The math is real. The tipping point is real. The invisible salary is real. And now I want to hear from you. Where are you right now on your journey? Drop your number in the comments. Are you under 100K and just getting started? Are you somewhere between 100K and $400 grinding toward the tipping point? Or are you already past 400K and feeling the invisible salary kick in? Drop it below. No judgment, no competition, just real people on the same journey at different stages. And if this video opened your eyes, if it made the math feel real for the first time, hit subscribe. Every single week, we break down wealth building in a way that actually makes sense for regular people. Next week, I am covering the one tax account most investors completely ignore, and how it could silently save you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. You do not want to miss that. See you there.